So guys, I am out here in my garden, and as you can see, it is really sunny. Summer is here, and this is why this cucumber water is handy. And out here in my garden, I planted a lot of cucumbers this year, so this is what I'm going to be using for these cucumber water, fresh organic from my garden. I am out here getting some of the cucumbers that are due for harvesting, so I'm just gonna grab 3 of them. You can see that this is the second one, so I'm just gonna grab 3 of them, but I am not going to use all 3 cucumbers. I'm just gonna use I think 1 cucumber, because I just want to do 2 cups is what I'm gonna do, 2 glasses, 1 for myself and 1 for my husband. So but I'm cutting 3 cucumbers because this third one is due for harvesting, so I have to cut it and I will eat it later, okay? So if you do not have a garden, I'm encouraging you to plan on setting up one. It's not difficult. You just get the seeds and you plant, but you have to weed it, water it, take care of it, and watch out for the insects and the worms. If you remember my last video that I did about the worms that ate up my kale, my collard greens, and thank God they didn't touch my cucumbers, because I don't know what I would have done. I would have had to get it at the store, but I thank God that it didn't eat up my cucumbers. So I'm just going to take my cucumber inside, and I'll show you how to go about the process of making this fresh cucumber water. So here you can see I have 3 fresh organic cucumbers, and I'm inside here in my kitchen. Check out the background, my fresh tomatoes from my garden. Yeah. So guys, it's very important that you eat healthy, you watch what you eat, okay? So yeah, and I'm just gonna use 1 lemon to put inside this cucumber water. Some people do use lime. That is okay too. If you have lime, you can use lime, but this is what I have at home. My friend has a lemon tree in her house, so she brought me this lemon, and I was very grateful. So here I am peeling off the skin of this cucumber. Is it the back or the skin? Okay, both. I am peeling it off, but I'm not going to throw it away, because in this house the rule is that we do not waste any food, so I'm going to eat it too, okay? So squeeze your lemon into your cup. Divide the lemon into two and squeeze it into your cup. Now if you want to use one whole lemon, that is fine. If you want to use half, that is still okay, depending on your tolerance of it, of the smell and all of that. So yeah, so I had to use a strainer so that I can remove the seeds from the lemon. You don't want to drink the seeds or swallow the seeds. Because I remember when we were little, my mom told us that if you swallow an orange seed, that you're gonna have an orange tree grow in your tummy. So we were always careful not to swallow an orange seed, but who knows, they lied to us. Who knew they lied? They actually lied to us. Okay, so yeah, I removed the seed, threw away the seeds, and here I'm pouring my cucumber water with the pulp into a strainer to strain it. But you know what? Some people do throw away the pulp, but I think that the pulp is healthy too, you know. The pulp is healthy too. So and some people do put it in a smoothie. I mean, after straining it out, you can put it in a smoothie and drink it. But I changed my mind. I said, you know what, I just poured the pulp inside my drink, inside my lemon, and I'm pouring it inside. I'm drinking it with the pulp because the pulp is healthy too. The pulp is healthy too, guys. So yeah, but that's your choice. And I'm adding some water to it so that it won't be very thick, you know. And I'm stirring it to mix the lemon water, the lemon juice. Is it juice, water? Yep. Okay, the lemon juice, mix it with the cucumber water. And here, this one is for my husband, so I'm giving him this one. Okay guys, remember I told you I'm gonna make two glasses, so this one is actually for me. And for mama's portion, you know, I'm adding some chia seeds. Okay. Okay, I'm adding some chia seeds to mine so that it can be what is it called, filling. Yeah, so that it can be filling, because I don't want to eat anything for now till evening, so that's why I had to add this chia seed. But some people do keep the chia seed for about an hour. That's up to you if you want to. If you leave the chia seed for about an hour, it's gonna, and you come back to take your cucumber water, it's going to be a little bit jelly, because you know the chia seed is jelly. So I had to show you guys what mama's portion looks like. This is my portion of my cucumber water. Okay, so like I said, the chia seed is optional, but I had to put some ice into my husband's own because he loves it chilled, cold, but I don't like it cold like that, you know. So I'm drinking my own without some ice. But in this summer, hot summer, I'm telling you, if you do not have a problem with ice, just go ahead and add some ice to your cucumber water. Fresh, organic, and it is very hydrating. So here is what I did to my cucumber skin. I'm adding some cashew nut to it, and I'm eating this. Don't throw it away. You can combine it with some almond nuts, some cashew nuts, some peanuts, and eat it. It is very, very filling, okay? You won't get hungry in a hurry, okay? So guys, thank you for watching. Make your own and share with me in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoy it. I know you will. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. But if you can do it every morning, this is the best thing you could do for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.